Earthing systems. So perhaps you've seen one of these around your home, but never known what it does. These are referred to as an earth stake in New Zealand. But what exactly does it do? A good earthing system works by sending any electrical faults to Earth, avoiding potentially harmful contact with you and your loved ones. To help us understand, we can use the example of lightning, which of course is electricity. It will always find the quickest pathway to Earth. Let's take a closer look. In this image, you can see the lightning has found the most direct route to Earth through the metal rod on top of the building, which is a great conductor. This feeds down into the ground with a large copper plate buried underneath. An earth stake effectively works in the same way. A large 2-meter rod is buried somewhere around your property and is connected to your switchboard by a low-resistance earth wire. It's worth pointing out, an earth stake will only be effective if it's buried in a suitable ground-like soil or compact dirt. Concrete is not suitable and it is against New Zealand's electrical regulations. If you don't have an earth stake installed, this means that any potential faults in appliances or wiring may cause serious harm to someone in the form of an electric shock. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have a standard ceiling light with a metal base. Now, taking a look behind it, we can see the red wire is the live, supplying electricity, black is the neutral, and the green wire is connected directly to the metal case. This is your earth or ground. Here you can see the red or live wire is detached because the homeowner failed to tighten the terminal screw enough. If you were to touch the light fitting now, you would receive a dangerous electric shock. Luckily, the ground wire is connected to the base and offers a very low resistance pathway, so the electricity will flow through the live onto the metal light fitting, through the ground wire and back to the earth stake buried outside, or ground via the switchboard. Since the low resistance cable is now taking the load, a much greater current of electricity will flow through this circuit. This is where your circuit breakers, calibrated to a specific limit, will trip. This will cut the electricity and the light fitting is now safe to touch. Without a correctly installed earth stake and working fuses, your loved ones will be at risk of serious electrocution, as any fault will most likely remain undetected.